Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to be talking about how to make trend lines in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, all we have to do is get an Excel spreadsheet with an existing graph in it. You can follow my previous video on how to make a bar graph in this channel so you can know how to get a graph all by yourself. Next step is to just click on the graph itself. Go ahead and click on the plus sign on the upper right corner for the chart elements and click on the trend line. Now, we can customize this trend line by just clicking on the right arrow beside the trend line option and going to more options. Now, the formatting options should appear within your Excel spreadsheet. There are multiple trendline options, but these are complicated and would most likely be situational depending on what you need. But for now, the most simplest approach would be using the linear trendline option. You can easily customize on what the trendline looks like by going on the fill in line option on the top portion of the Format Trendline setting. For now, it's set on automatic, but we can easily change it to anything that we want. Since the color is orange, we can easily change it to other colors to avoid confusion. Let's try blue. And there we go. We can also make it to broken lines by changing the compound type and the dash type in order to show that we are using trend lines. Feel free to experiment on which type of style you want to use for your trend line. Now that we are satisfied on our trend line format, we are now done with the format options for this function. And there we have it. This is how we add trend lines in our existing graphs for Microsoft Excel.